southwestern Guernsey County, southeastern Muskingum County, northwestern Noble County, until 2 a.m. At 1:20 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles southeast of South Zanesville, or 18 miles south of Zanesville, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cambridge, New Concord, Gainesville, Philo, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Cumberland, Norwich, High Hill, Chandlersville, Rural Dale, Duncan Falls, Campbellville, Seneca Lake Park, and Blue Rock State Park. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio,